Psychology's study of persuasive communication examines how messages are designed and conveyed to affect people's attitudes, beliefs, and behaviors. A key theory is the cognitive dissonance theory, which holds that people try to maintain consistency in their belief and actions. When faced with contradicting information, they feel uncomfortable and try to make sense of it by changing their belief or providing an explanation for their actions. Another important theory is the elaboration likelihood model, which asserts that the audience motivation and capacity for information processing determines how effective persuasive messages are. Messages that are personally relevant or presented in an engaging way are more likely to be persuasive. Additionally, social influence theories like social proof and authority say that people often seek to others or authoritative persons for guidance on how to think or conduct, making these characteristics important tools in persuasive communication methods. Understanding these principles and theories allows practitioners and researchers alike to better design and implement persuasive communications that resonate with their intended audience. The Share a Coke campaign used personalized Coke bottles with people's names to create personal connections and encourage sharing. It targeted emotions related to friendship, happiness, and social connection, reinforcing values of friendship and personalization. The campaign's cultural message emphasized the importance of relationships and subtly implied that sharing a Coke strengthens bonds. It primarily targeted young adults, teenagers, and anyone who values social connections. The campaign was highly effective, creating a strong personal and emotional connection with the brand. While promoting sugary drinks, its positive emotional appeal was considered ethical and socially reinforcing. Encourage individuals to see themselves as part of the Coke community, fostering a sense of belonging and reinforcing social identity. Promote sharing as a widespread, socially accepted activity, encouraging others to join in and making the behavior more attractive and acceptable. Bypasses rational thinking, directly influencing feelings associated with sharing, friendship, and happiness, increasing the likelihood of choosing Coke. People feel obligated to return favors, promoting further engagement with the product and reinforcing social bonds. Create a strong association between the brand and positive emotions, reinforcing the consumer's preference for Coke through repeated positive pairings. Personalized bottles enhance the consumer's connection to the product, appealing to the self-concept and increasing the product's emotional value. Associates Coke with happy, memorable moments, enhancing product attractiveness and influencing purchasing decisions to recreate positive feelings.
Godzilla is awesome, except when he's hungry. The campaign humorously features Godzilla what the king, subverting his usual destructive image. The punchline suggests that Godzilla only destroys buildings when he's hungry. Adding a comedic twist, this approach makes the ad memorable and effectively conveys its message about managing hunger to maintain self-control. The ad places Godzilla in a ridiculous situation, making it funny and engaging. It humanizes Godzilla by suggesting his rampage are due to hunger, making the monstrous character relatable and approachable. Godzilla's iconic status ensures the ad grabs attention across cultural barriers. The unexpected and humorous context challenges audience expectation and increases message recall. The ad subtly conveys that eating the promoted product can prevent hunger-induced bad behavior, similar to how feeling Godzilla stops his destruction. It capitalized on the familiar phenomenon of hunger, hunger-induced anger. It appeals to young people and adults familiar with Godzilla, humor enthusiasts, and foodies looking for simple hunger solutions. The advertisement is ethically sound, using light-hearted and inoffensive humor without promoting negative stereotypes. It emphasizes a relatable and harmless concept about hunger affecting behavior. As soft as a mother's love, the Softland fabric softener advertisement, with its tagline "Soft as a mother's touch," effectively used emotional appeal, pathos, and attachment theory to influence consumer behavior. It features imagery of a mother hugging her daughter, evoking feelings of love, comfort, and security. Soft pastel colors and flowers like lilies and roses create a comforting atmosphere. The tagline, "Soft as a mother's touch," associates the product with maternal care and protection, enhancing its emotional appeal and increasing purchase likelihood. It taps into emotional security and comfort associated with maternal bonds, fostering trust and reliability in the product. It suggests Softland cares for clothes like a mother cares for her child, creating a strong emotional bond with consumers. Emphasize family values and the nurturing mother-child relationship, resonating with many consumers. Reinforce traditional gender roles, which can perpetuate outdated stereotypes and create unrealistic expectations. Gender stereotypes in advertising can limit perceptions of gender roles and contribute to body image and self-esteem issues. Highlights traditional family values and cultural symbols of femininity, enhancing the product's appeal to female consumers. Suggests that Softland is as reliable and trustworthy as a mother's care, tapping into deep emotional and psychological themes. While creating an emotional connection, the ad may inadvertently reinforce stereotypes and exclude non-traditional family instructions. It could cause feeling of alienation or pressure to conform to societal norms among some viewers. Common themes in Coca-Cola, Snickers, and Softland advertisements. The Coca-Cola, Snickers, and Softland advertisements share a common theme of using emotional appeals to forge strong, memorable connections with consumers.
Coca-Cola's Share a Coke campaign, personalization and social identity. By replacing its logo with popular names, Coca-Cola fosters a sense of belonging and community, making each bottle feel unique and special, and enhancing emotional engagement.
Snickers, Godzilla is awesome except when he's hungry advertisement, humor and relatability. The ad places Godzilla is humorous, human-like situation, capturing attention and creating a memorable narrative. It highlights the universal experience of hunger-induced irritability, reinforcing Snickers as a quick fix for hunger.
Softlands, as soft as mother's love advertisement. Attachment theory. The ad evokes emotions associated with maternal care by depicting a mother-child relationship. Soft pastel colors and floral imagery enhance feelings of comfort and security, positioning Softland as a trusted fabric softener.
All three advertisements effectively use emotional appeals to connect deeply with their audience. Coca-Cola with personalization and community, Snickers, humor and hunger relatability, and Softland with maternal care and comfort. These strategies create strong and memorable brand connections. In conclusion, The analysis of Coca-Cola's Share a Coke, Snickers' Godzilla is awesome except when he's hungry, and Softland's As Soft as a Mother's Love advertisement reveals how diverse advertising strategies can effectively engage audience by leveraging various psychological principles. These advertisements utilize emotional appeal and draw on concepts like personalization, humor, and attachment theory to create strong, memorable connection with consumers.